Hola and hello, I'm Rebecca Serwotka. We sell houses, it's what we do, it's all we do. Welcome to Talk About Tuesday. Whether you're ready to start a full-on renovation project on your home in Spain, buying a property to flip, or just purchased a property in need of a few repairs, you'll need to have your business head screwed on tight. Will your project add real value, or are you at risk of spending more than it'll be worth? Here are a few upgrades that are both good and bad for your investment. Now, kitchens and bathrooms, without hesitation, renovating these two rooms gets a thumbs up from me. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Even a modest renovation will add value, like renewing the cabinet doors and hardware. Simple, but effective. Bathrooms tend to look dated every 10 years. There's always new designs hitting the market, from tiles to sanitary ware. Even giving a bathroom a minor facelift with fresh grout will make the room look newer. Best investment in this room would be to update the tiles. Most people are removing baths and replacing them with showers, also a good investment. Now, open balconies. Enclosing an open balcony or terrace to make a sunroom gets a thumbs up from me. You're adding another room to the property, so this is adding value. This is an easy extension to make, as there are usually there's no construction involved. Aluminium frames and windows will get the job done with little disruption. Glass curtains are a popular choice that make the room look opulent. Bedrooms? If you're thinking of removing a bedroom wall to make a larger living room or dining room, beware. Creating bigger rooms will always be a welcomed upgrade. However, if you're doing this just to sell the property on, then stop. More bedrooms will always attract more buyers. This type of investment, if you're doing it for your own benefit, gets a thumbs up. Doing it purely to flip the house will get a thumbs down. Some upgrades do add real value, but not all are guaranteed. Sometimes the best upgrade is to sell your existing property and buy a home that's already been done. Before embarking on any projects, answer this. Will your upgrades make your home more comfortable for you to live in, and will they add value to your investment? Thinking of selling your property in Spain but not sure where to start? I've created a video for you to watch on demand from the comfort and safety of your own home. You can head to homesforyou.es/how to sell a property in Spain. Put it in as all one word with no spaces. That's homesforyou.es/how to sell a property in Spain. You'll discover everything you need to know, from the paperwork that will be required to getting you the best deal. So be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching me today on Talk About Tuesday. I appreciate you. I'm Rebecca Serwotka. We sell houses, it's what we do, it's all we do. Until next time, amigos, stay safe. Hasta luego.